Rise and shine, YouTube family. I'm out here at a park before I go into work. I sent my car in, did some stuff on my planner for a bit, and then I was like, let me go ahead and take a quick little walk before I head to work. I actually need to take my car in to get it looked at, get a little diagnostic of it, because let's walk down here, because it's acting a little funny. And so I guess it rained last night. I didn't hear it at all. And zoom out for y'all. This is where we're at today. Oop. We're out cleaning, which is cool. I like how they have these. Like, you'll see little doorways in the trees sometimes out here. But yeah, just getting outside, getting a little fresh air before work. Before I'm sitting in an office all day. Oh, let's go back up this way. But we're gonna get started to the week. Up and ready, get things done, and being consistent with these videos. So, pat myself on the back. I'm going, I think this is day 6, if I'm not mistaken. Day 6. I mean, I should know, going off the dates, right? But yeah, we're here. We're still here. Funny smell here. Hope y'all are doing good. Continue to shine on. I'm gonna edit these videos today so I can get those scheduled out. We're gonna do one a week of the long form. So we'll see one this week, and then you'll see one next week. So stick around for that. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment as well. Have you been doing your habit? What's your habit? What you've been doing? Whenever you see my video, you can do one small thing